Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the lava road on Fish It Roblox. If you're ready to move beyond normal water and start catching mythic and legendary fish in the lava, you need a powerful lava road, and this guide will show you exactly how you can get it. So the lava road is located in the Kohana Volcano. So first you need to go to the Kohana Volcano here, and then you can just talk to the Lava Fisherman. To make it easier for you to find the fisherman, you can just use this guide right here. Just follow the arrow until you find the fisherman inside the volcano. So just walk here, follow the path, follow the arrow. Here, go inside the volcano, go up here until you see the fisherman. Okay, so now you are inside the Kohana volcano. Okay, so this is the fisherman, so you need to talk to him to get the lava road. Just cross in here. So you get to him. Just talk to him in here. And you got the lava road. In here you can just click on the roads. Okay, so this is now the lava road that you can use. This is the uncommon and rare, and that's it. Now you've already equipped the lava road, this one, and you can start fishing using this road. So guys, that's how you can equip the lava road in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.